Good evening, I'm Swastika Panda from OdishaTV.in bringing you today's news from Odisha. First the headlines. Odisha government decides to name proposed Baripada Medical College after Pandit Raghunath Murmu. BJP Congress see political motive behind the move. Lakshmi Narayan Patnaik and Shashi Prabha Vidhani to be two new information commissioners of Odisha. Formal announcement after governor's approval. Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi scheduled to visit Odisha next month to hold Padayatra. Commissionerate Police unearths illegal gun manufacturing unit in Khurda area, arrests 4 persons, seizes 8 country-made guns and live bullets. And AIIMS Bhubaneswar launches prepaid card service to ease problems of patients in paying their bills. Now the details. Politics has gained momentum following the state government's announcement to name the proposed medical college in Baripada after Old Cheeky script developer late Pandit Raghunath Murmu. While BJP, Congress alleged that the BJD government has taken the decision to counter the centre's move to appoint Draupadi Murmu as Jharkhand governor, the ruling party in the state says the chief minister had decided much earlier to name the medical college after Pandit Raghunath. Senior BJP leader Pratap Sarangi said BJD fears of losing tribal votes to the Saffron party and the decision is only a way to attract the vote bank. Echoing similar views, senior Congress leader Jaidev Jaina questioned why the BJD government is remembering Pandit Raghunath after its ruling of some many years, and that is too only after the centre appointed a tribal leader as governor. Jaina added the chief minister is playing politics. Countering the allegations, BJD spokesperson Sameer Das said the state had taken the decision of naming the proposed medical college after Pandit Raghunath much earlier. Notably, Chief Minister Navin Patnaik had made the announcement regarding the medical college yesterday. Patnaik is scheduled to lay the foundation of the proposed medical college on May 18th.
The state government has decided to name the new government medical college at Baripada in honor of Pandit Raghunath Murmu. The foundation of the new medical college will be laid on the 18th of May at Baripada.
ठीक द्रौपदी मुर्मू राज्यपाल भाव में नियुक्ति हवा पड़े झारखंड राज्यर सी बोधे सांताली भाषा संस्कृति रघुनाथ मुर्मू जी से धर्मगुरु भली मन पकई ये कार्य नाम कौन अनुष्ठान नामित हवा को व्यक्तिगत भाव में आम दल भी विरोध करे किंतु ये जो राजनीति कर माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जो राजनीति कर सब को लेकिन मन पड़ी ठीक द्रौपदी मुर्मू राज्यपाल नियुक्ति पर से हूँ सबुठ आश्चर्य कथा।
माननीय द्रौपदी मुर्मू जो राज्यपाल हेले तांकर मूल्य निर्धारण कले ओडिशा सरकार। द्रौपदी मुर्मू को राज्यपाल करके नरेंद्र मोदी गोटे यशस्वी कार्य करछंती। से जने प्रथम महिला एवं आदिवासी महिला को ओडिशा रु आज राज्यपाल पदर अभिषिक्त करेछंती। ओडिशा को अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी प्रथमे आदिवासी मंत्रालय दायित्व देइथिले, नुआ आदिवासी मंत्रालय खोलिथिले एवं ओडिशा रे जणे एमपी जीतिकी 2 जन को मंत्री करेछंती नरेंद्र मोदी। तापर जणे आदिवासी महिला को नै करी से झारखंड रो राज्यपाल करेले। तेणु काले आदिवासी वोट सेपट को चली जीवो, तेणु से बर्तमान विचार कले जे केमती आदिवासी कार्ड खेलिबे। आज पर्यंत रघुनाथ मुर्मू आदिवासी मन रे पडु नथुले 15 वर्ष शासन भितर मुझे ग्यारंटी देकी लिखिपारे नवीन पट्टनायक शासन काल भितर ये मेडिकल कॉलेज चालू ही पारिबो नाही।
Lakshmi Narayan Patnaik and Shashi Prabha Vidhani will be the 2 new information commissioners of the state. A formal announcement will be made in this regard only after the approval of the governor. 2 names were finalized by a committee in a meeting held yesterday at Secretariat. Chief Minister Navin Patnaik chaired the meeting, which was attended by Parliamentary Affairs Minister Bikram Keshari Aruk and Leader of Opposition Narsingh Mishra. Though Mishra did not support both names for the post, 2 other members of the committee, including Chief Minister and Parliamentary Affairs Minister, gave their nod for Patnaik and Bindhani. Out of 40 applications for the 2 posts of Information Commissioner, 6 were shortlisted. As per the government's guidelines, the Information Commissioner should work with a Chief Commissioner. Jagadananda retired as Information Commissioner in 2013, while Tarunakant Mishra had resigned as Chief Commissioner in February this year. Now Pramod Mahanti is working as Loan Information Commissioner in the state, who will retire in July.
That will be announced after the approval of the Honorable Governor.
आईन विभाग में बहुत दिन धरी कार्य करथिवा एवं अभिज्ञता थिवा व्यक्ति नाम को सुपारिश करा जायछि। द्वितीय रे राज्य रे सूचना कमिशन गठित हेबा दिन ठारू कौनसी महिला तार सदस्य नथिले। सेमानकर जो तथ्य आस्तला तथ्य आधार रे कमिटी पुंखानुपुंख आलोचना करागला एवं जेहेतु सेमानकर ज्ञान योग्यता एवं अभिज्ञता आधार रे विचार को नहीं से दुईटी नाम को सुपारिश करा जायछि। सेथिरे कौनसी अनियमितता होई नाही।
कमिटी आज दी जन को नियुक्ति देवा पे निष्पत्ति नेले किंतु सहमति प्रकाश पाई पारला नहीं। 2:1 मेजोरिटी रे से निष्पत्ति करागला। जो दी जन को नियुक्ति दिया जायछि से मोर सहमति नथिला कहीं ना सुप्रीम कोर्ट जो जजमेंट देइछंती ए संपर्क रे तार विरुद्धाचरण करूची से नियुक्ति।
One more person died of jaundice as alleged by the family members of the deceased yesterday. With this, the toll reached 4 in Balangir district. The deceased Puran Rajput, belonging to Gandhinagar Pada area, was undergoing treatment at a private hospital in Raipur of Chhattisgarh. Meanwhile, Chief District Medical Officer CDMO Rabi Narayan Tripathi said a probe into the death will be conducted to find out whether the death occurred due to jaundice or some other reasons. In a related development, Public Health Department's Executive Engineer Bhagyadhara Sahu was suspended for dereliction of duty to control the spread of jaundice in the district. Chief Engineer Kshitish Chandra Sahu informed media persons about Sahu's suspension. Sahu said preliminary investigations show that the reason behind the spread of jaundice in the city is due to contamination of drinking water. Hence, there were demands from the different quarters for suspension of the executive engineer. Commissionerate Police yesterday busted an illegal gun manufacturing unit in Khurda and seized 8 country-made guns and live bullets. The police also arrested 4 persons allegedly involved in the illegal gun trading activities. The quick action team of police conducted the raid in Khurda area. The illegal factory was running for last 20 years at Pani Chhatra village under Jankia police station. Police got the clues from 2 accused arrested yesterday during interrogation and raided the place. This apart, firearm making implements like iron press, grinding stones, iron pipes and iron brushes, cutter blades, hammers, tongs and a wrench were also seized during the police raid. Police Commissioner R.P. Sharma said the arms manufacturers sell a single shot of gun for Rs 5,000 to 7,000 and 6-shot revolvers at Rs 10,000 in Khurda district. He added, investigation is on to verify how many pieces of illegal arms have been manufactured and sold since the inception of the manufacturing unit and the antecedents of the accused.
खबर मिलुथिला जे एटी लोकल आर्म्स मध्ये अवेलेबल अछि along with जो बिहार मैन्युफैक्चर्ड आर्म्स से गोटे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट रखी छि जोटी कि से लोकली कंट्री मेड सिंगल शॉट और कंट्री मेड रिवॉल्वर तारो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करूची और अम्यूनिशन रो भी निर्माण से करे। तो ए प्रकार गोटे इलीगल आर्म्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट जो आम दृष्टि आगे नथिला एटा इंटेलिजेंस रु और ये जो क्रिमिनल्स मानक धरिबा परे एटा गोटे उल्लेखनीय सफलता हमरो क्यूएटी और तमांडो पुलिस स्टेशन पाइछि।
With an aim to reduce the hassles faced by patients every day during payment of bills, All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIIMS Bhubaneswar has launched prepaid service for cashless transaction. AIIMS Director Dr. Ashok Mahapatra said patients coming frequently to the Premier Health Institute will no longer have to wait in long queues and face cumbersome process for paying their bills, as this system will enable them to recharge the card in advance. AIIMS Superintendent Ambika Prasad Mahanti said the card, which will remain valid for at least 1 year, can also ensure treatment here even if it does not carry sufficient funds. Welcoming the prepaid system, the residents of Bhubaneswar have expected to get quick service from the card system. AIIMS Bhubaneswar has 26 departments, including medicine, surgery, gynecology and orthopedics.
कार्ड देलु जो गोटे माइक्रोचिप अच्छी गोटे पेसेंट मनकर 10,000 टका तार लगे हस्पिटाल से एका 10,000 गोटे कार्ड नहीं जीव से कार्डटा जिते बड़े जहाँ यूज कला स्वाइप करदेव हेले आ पाखे सब बेले पकेट रे पैसा दरकार नहीं
रोचु जदि या द्वारा आमर बेनिफिट मिलिबो जे आमे टाइम रे सेटा ये कले स्वैप कले से इमीडिएट हमको सर्विस मिलियो ले हम आशा करछु हां आ द्वारा फैसिलिटी हबो जो चोरी चुरा हबार नहीं पैसा न रखले भी पाखे रे हमर जेमदी ये टाइप रो काम दबो क्रेडिट कार्ड टाइप रो काम दबो गोटे.
In his first trip to Odisha after the last general elections, Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi is scheduled to visit Odisha in June. Informing this to media persons in Bhubaneswar yesterday, after returning from Delhi, State Congress President Prasad Harichandan said the date of his tour will be fixed soon. Harichandan, who met Gandhi in Delhi and held discussion with him about the political situation in the state, said the Congress leader will hold a Padayatra in Odisha. The Gandhian, whom the party has projected as a youth icon, seems to have become more active after returning from his sabbatical. He has already held Padayatras in Maharashtra, Punjab and Telangana, taking up cudgels on behalf of farmers. The Congress leadership in Odisha is aiming at taking the advantage of Gandhi's newfound vigor in uplifting its sagging popularity in the state.
आमे कहतलु आम संगठन को आमे सजाड़िबा कार्यक्रम खूब शीघ्र आरंभ एवं से चलिबो तासह राजनैतिक कार्यक्रम आमे जहाँ नवा कथा विरोधी दल भाव से कार्यक्रम खूब शीघ्र आरंभ होबो. कांग्रेस उपसभापति श्री राहुल गांधी मध्य खूब शीघ्र ओडिशा गस्त करिवे. आमे से कार्यक्रम खूब शीघ्र आरंभ करिबो जून मास रे हेबो.
The members of Odisha Private Bus Owners Association met Commerce and Transport Minister Ramesh Chandra Maji yesterday to press for the demand for automatic price adjustment of bus fares. The association's president Prakash Mishra said, while the government promptly asked the body to slash bus fares when there was a cut in diesel prices, it does not show the same urgency in raising bus fares at the time of increase in fuel price. Meanwhile, the minister said a decision on a mechanism for automatic hike and cut in bus fares would be taken soon. The association has threatened to go on an indefinite strike from June 5th if the government does not fulfill its demands. The transport body has issued the threat following price hike in both petrol and diesel on Friday. Notably, about 13,000 private buses and 450 state-run buses ply on Odisha's roads every day.
ये दाबी आज हुए ये आपण 2013 मसीह ऑटोमेटिक मेकानिज्म को आम लिखी देचु 6 थर मीटिंग हो सारा किंतु ऑटोमेटिक मेकानिज्म है ना. आम कहूँ सरकार निर्धारण करूँ केते तेल बढ़िले केते पैसा बस भड़ा बढ़ो केते बढ़िले केते बस भड़ा सरकार निष्पत्ति कर आम तापर किसी डिमांड करूँ.
आम देखु जो डिमांड गुड़ाक रही से डिमांड गुड़ाक किभली भाव फुलफिल करा जाई परिबो एवं ता उपरे आमे विभाग सहित आलोचना करिवु एवं परवर्ती समय कोन पदक्षेप निया जाई परिबो निश्चित भाव रे तांको सहित आलोचना कला परे निष्पत्ति निया.
In an attempt to check rash driving, the Transport Department has issued a circular acting tough on the erring drivers. As per the circular, the license of the driver, fitness certificate and route permit of the vehicle will be scrapped for causing death or injuries to anybody. This apart, owner of the vehicle will also be issued a show cause notice. If the driver is found responsible for anybody's death or critical injuries due to rash driving, the department will initiate action against him as per Section 19 of Motor Vehicles Act 1988. The license of the concerned driver would be scrapped for 6 months and fitness certificate of the vehicle would be cancelled if the police register a case over the accident as per Section 21 of MV Act. The particular vehicle cannot hit the road till a fresh permit is issued. The Transport Commissioner has asked RTOs to give report on the number of licenses cancelled. Recently, CAG, in his report, criticized the state government for not taking adequate measures to ensure road safety. The report mentioned that Odisha is facing more accidents than the national average. Around 45,164 accidents have taken place in last 5 years between 2008 and 2012, in which 17,946 people lost lives. Vigilance sleuths yesterday seized 27 files related to allotments of multiple plots under discretionary quota from the Bhubaneswar Development Authority (BDA). The state investigating agency conducted the seizure as part of its probe into allotment scam that hit BDA hard after the matter came to the fore. The BDA had allotted 803 plots and flats under discretionary quota since January 1, 1995. The State Cabinet on December 19th had approved cancellation of around 1,791 allotments of plots, flats and houses under discretionary quota by BDA, CDA and Odisha State Housing Board since January 1, 1995. With paddy procurement up by 21% during Kharif 2014-15, Odisha has set a target of procuring 36 lakh tons of rice this year from the 30 lakh tons, an official has said. Paddy procurement during Kharif 2014-15 grew by 21% over last year, with a total procurement of around 40 lakh tons. Food Supply and Consumer Welfare Secretary Madhusudan Padi said, so far, the state government has procured 40 lakh tons of paddy, that is equivalent to 27.16 lakh tons of rice. Since the procurement has grown up by 21% against last year, we have decided to procure paddy equivalent to 36 lakh tons of rice in this year. The paddy procurement includes for both Kharif and Rabi seasons. This was decided at the state-level Paddy Procurement Committee meeting held under the chairmanship of Chief Secretary G.C. Pati on Saturday. Padi said the procurement for Rabi season was started on May 15th and will continue till June 30th. The district collectors have been asked to expedite the procurement process to achieve the target by June 30th.
जिला स्तर रे जिलापाल माने रेगुलरली प्रोक्योरमेंट रो रिव्यू करी जेमती मिलर माने ठीक समय सेप्टेम्बर 30 मध्य समस्त चाउल देवे सेथिपाई दृष्टि देवाकू निर्देश दैछंती.
Devotees in large numbers continue to throng Pratap Nagari of Cuttack to have a glimpse of Daru or holy neem wood for carving of new idol of Lord Jagannath, which was pulled to the area in a wooden cart or sagadi yesterday. Devotees from far-off places are making a beeline to have a close view of the Daru and offer worship. Earlier, the devotees and Banajagar team dared heavy rain and thunderstorm to pull the log-laden cart up to Pratap Nagari on the National Highway No. 5 that connects the twin cities of Cuttack and Bhubaneswar. Source said after a night halt, the cart has resumed its journey towards Puri. Married Odia Hindu women whose husbands are alive are observing Sabitri Vrata today across the state as a vow with great dedication and pray for their husband to have a long life. Women were seen making beeline at every temple in morning to offer worship, praying long life of their husband. The occasion is observed on Amavasya or the No Moon Day in the Hindu month of Cheshtha. It is known as Savitri Umasa in Western Odisha region. Before wrapping up, the headlines once again. Odisha government decides to name proposed Baripada Medical College after Pandit Raghunath Murmu. BJP Congress see political motive behind the move. Lakshmi Narayan Patnaik and Sashi Prabha Vidhani to be two new Information Commissioners of Odisha. Formal announcement after Governor's approval. Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi scheduled to visit Odisha next month to hold Padayatra. Commissionerate Police unearths illegal gun manufacturing unit in Khurda area, arrests 4 persons, seizes 8 country-made guns and live bullets. And AIIMS Bhubaneswar launches prepaid card service to ease problems of patients in paying their bills. Thank you for watching. Good night.